Okay, it's nighttime, but let's do a room tour of our Sheraton Vistana Villages. 2-bedroom suite.
Yeah, I will.
Go get stuff.
Good.
Give us a piece
My family's gonna go get some stuff.
to the vehicle.
All right. So we got a washer dryer in a little closet. There's a light in here. Okay. I found it. That's nice. Got a couple detergents that they give you and a laundry basket and some shelves. Garbage in here. Standard nice kitchen with cutlery and a coffee maker and a blender and all the things that you would want. It's a nice little place. I'll pop into this bedroom on the left. This is the second bedroom where our youngster will be sleeping. Has a nice TV and a nice looking closet. Apologize for the lighting. I think all the lights are turned on. This has a walk-through to the bathroom, which I'll call the guest bathroom. I don't see where the light switch is, though. I don't see a light switch anywhere in here. Okay. I don't know where the light switch is. That's fun. We'll have to figure that out later, but it has a shower with a tub. Pretty nice bathroom. This door over here is a sliding door. So that's kind of interesting. Open that back up. We've got a dining room. Very nice. Got a couple locked doors here, assuming the furnace is in there. A living room. There's storage in these ottomans. And I don't know if this couch pulls out or not, but you've got a nice sized TV. And then this is the master bedroom with, I believe that's a king size bed, just looking at it. We have a view out to a pond with a fountain in it, but you can't see that because it's dark. We've got, looks like USB ports on either side of the bed. Sorry, I did not check in the other bedroom for that. I imagine it's the same. Got a window here that goes to the bathtub. And this is the master bathroom. Walk in here, and there is the closet. A luggage stand and things. You've got your vanity here, a vanity, and you've got a jetted tub. Could jam 2 in there if you wanted to, and then you've got your vanity inside of the toilet and shower area. Nice shower. Nice size. Looks like it'll work. Looks like it's got an okay shower head. And that's pretty much the room. Looks like they've got towels and all those things in here. This property has 3 pools. We stayed at the other Sheraton Vistana property. I believe that's Lake Buena Vista. But we haven't stayed at this one before. So we're giving it a try. We've got a nice sized balcony out here with a table with 4 chairs. And a ceiling fan to help you stay cool. I'm sure it's a nice view. We're on the first level here, so we'll see about the view, but big spacious room. Looks pretty nice. I think it'll work for us.